Hi guys, I'm Jocelyn, and I have been sick for the past 3 days. So today, after the third day, I caved and I purchased the Starbucks honey citrus mint tea, better known as the medicine ball tea. I found a couple of recipes that mimic the medicine ball, so I'm gonna implement one and add a little spin. I'm also gonna add a link down there for the websites that I took some ideas from. Okay, so we're gonna start off with the two main ingredients, which are the tea bags. I bought the Moroccan mint. You can also purchase the Tazo. I mean, I personally did not purchase it because it was not on sale, but you can purchase anything basically that's more in your price range. And I also purchased the County Peach Passion, which gives it, I think, a nice fruity taste. You also need 100% pure honey, water. It can be filtered water. I'm just using bottled water because it's more convenient for me because I don't have filtered water. One more ingredient, just give me a second. You can use lemonade. I personally next time am gonna try fresh squeezed lemons because I don't like super sugary things. So I like to measure my liquids in mason jars. Not sure if you're able to see, but this type of mason jar has the fluid ounces measurements, so I find it pretty easy to measure my liquids. Okay, so in the Starbucks recipe, it does state that you will have equal parts of both lemonade and water. I will play around with it in future episodes because I don't want it to be too sweet. But for this purpose, I will be using the exact measurements. So that will be, because I am doing a 16-ounce tea, we're gonna do 8 ounces of lemonade and 8 ounces of water. The Starbucks recipe does state that the lemonade should be steamed, but I do not have a steamer. I will be placing both of these in the microwave for about a minute and a half for it to heat up. Okay, we'll be right back. So Starbucks did give me 2 cups, so I'll be using this for now. One thing I do want to begin with is placing the tea bags inside of the cup. So we are going to add about a teaspoon of the honey. You may add more if you'd like, or less, or none at all if you don't want it to be too sweet. Now we're going to be adding our liquids. One thing that the Starbucks drink does not have, and that I prefer, especially when I'm sick, to open up sinuses and to make my throat feel better, is to add some ginger. I prefer fresh ginger. Now I'm going to get a spoon so I can mix everything together. There we go. Now allow the tea bags to steep at least 3 to 5 minutes, but just for time's sake, I am going to try it out right now. Okay, so here it goes. Ready? Tastes so good. and it makes my throat feel so much better. And that was just one sip. All right, so if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'm still trying to figure out what I want to create with my channel, and if this is something that you enjoyed and would like to start to see more of, you know, leave a comment. Just let me know. I'm open to suggestions. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this, and if you do try it, let me know about it. Thank you. Have a good night, or have a good day.